Hi everyone, I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do bald cap. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So first off, I would like to put all the hairs in place and then get my got2b spray and just spray it on it and then tie it down with a thread. So once I'm done with that step, I'm going to then get my hand dryer and then dry it down. So here's the wig cap I'm going to be using for today's video. It's from Love Beauty on Instagram. So this wig cap is really transparent. It's what they call the HD wig cap. So I'm just going to put it on her and then stretch it out. Then once I'm done, I'm going to then cut out the ear part and then get the gel and then apply it on it. So I'm going to be using this liquid gel from the Hair by Any brand. So I'm going to apply it like that as seen in the video and then spread it out with my rat tail comb. So you can also spread out with a spatula. So when I'm spreading it, I like to go into the hair just as seen here in the video because I wouldn't want it to come forward because we're going to have difficulties when we're trying to cut out the excess wig cap. So the next step I'm going to do now is to get my got2b spray and just spray on it before I use my hand dryer. So I realized that when you're doing a bald cap method, it's always advisable to go lightly with your product because once you do too many product, it's going to look so cakey on the wig cap. So now I'm going to cut out the ear part just to reduce the tension and make sure that part is really flat. So I like to go in with my got2b spray on the ear part just to make sure it sits properly. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to then get my hand dryer and dry it to lay down. So for both method, I like to use like cold air. So I regulate my dryer to cold air because if you do warm air or hot air, the client is going to be uncomfortable. So in order to make them sit while you do this process, because I mean, this process is really difficult and it takes so much time. So that's why I was saying you do like light products. You be light-handed when you're applying your product and also do in cold air. So all this will enable the process be very fast and also your client won't get cranky. So now I'm going to get my scissors and then carefully cut out the excess. So when doing this, always be careful and make sure you pay so much attention to cuts because you don't want to cut the client. So as soon as I'm done with it, I'm going to then flip the leftover across her head. So the next step is using the dryer and a rat tail comb to like lay down the ends of the balding, the part where we cut out initially. So once I'm done with this first drying stage, I'm going to then get my got2b spray and then carefully apply on it and then use the dryer to melt it into her skin. plâns neîncetat, nimeni nu a stat cu mine. Fără poftă de mâncare, nu știam ce e cu mine. Mă durea capul așa tare, doar pe tine te vedeam. Zile multe au trecut și puteam și eu zâmbi. Că am trecut și peste asta, ai fost ca Okay, so next step before we go, I'm going to be getting a powder palette and then going for the lighter shade. So reason I'm using lighter shade is because when I pat the hair, I want it to give me that scalp illusion. So I'm just going to pat the powder into the bald cap and then allow it to sit. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.